Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 1 for CBSE Board, chapter number 12, Areas related to circles. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some basic terms of circle and some terms which are related to circle. Okay. Perimeter of circle is its circumference. Circumference C is equal to pi into diameter is equal to 2 pi into radius. Pi is equal to 22 upon 7 or is equal to 3.14. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Okay. Now try to understand some other terms. In a circle with center O, this is a circle with center O, AXB is called minor sector. So this complete region is called minor sector. AXB, this much only shaded portion, AXB is called minor segment. This is angle theta is equal to angle AOB. Central is called central angle. Angle AOB, that means this angle, that is theta, is equal to major arc AXB. So it is the measure of arc AXB. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square is equal to 1 upon 2 r into L, where L is equal to length of an arc of sector. Okay, so that means this length. Length of an arc of a sector is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Area of segment is equal to, area of segment means this, area of segment is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square minus area of triangle AOB. So this is a segment AXB. If you want to find the area of this segment, then first you find the area of sector and then you subtract what area of corresponding triangle. Okay, in this case triangle AOB. Okay, area of major sector is equal to pi r square minus area of minor sector. Area of major segment is equal to pi r square minus area of minor segment. Important relation between central angle, length of an arc, area of sector. Okay, this is a very important relation. If you remember this relation, then you can easily derive all these above formulas. Theta upon 360 is equal to area of sector upon area of circle is equal to length of an arc is equal to 2 pi r, that is circumference of circle. Okay, so theta upon 360 is equal to A upon pi r square is equal to L upon 2 pi r. This relation is very important. This relation gives you area of sector, length of an arc of sector, everything. Okay, so this is very important relation. Remember this. Then some examples from exercise 12.1. I explain how to use all formulas. Okay. Question number 1. The radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. Two circles are given. radius is equal to 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter, and you want, and relation is given, sum of the circumference of these two circles is equal to the circumference of what third circle. Okay, then uh, find the radius of that circle. Okay, now try to understand solution. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Having radius 19 centimeter is equal to 2 pi into 19 centimeter. Circumference of circle having radius is 9 centimeter is equal to 2 pi into 9, that is 18 pi centimeter. Okay. Sum of the circumferences of two circles is equal to 38 pi plus 18 pi gives you 56 pi centimeter. Then let circumference of required circle be C having radius r, then C is equal to 56 pi r is equal to 2 pi r. Pi get cancelled, 2 you transfer on this side, so r is equal to 56 upon 2, that is 28 centimeter, and hence radius of required circle is equal to 28 centimeter. Okay. Question number 2. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Okay. Now same type of question, their circumference is given and therefore they ask radius. Now here relation between areas is given and therefore they ask find the radius of what circle by means of area. Okay. Now the area of the circle pi is equal to pi r square having radius 8 centimeter is equal to pi into 64 cm square. The area of the circle having radius 6 centimeter is equal to pi into 36 cm square, and therefore the sum of the areas of two circles is equal to 64 pi plus 36 pi is equal to 100 pi cm square. Let radius of required circle be r, then area of circle is equal to pi r square is equal to 100 pi, and therefore r is equal to this pi and this pi get cancelled, r square is equal to 100 and therefore r is equal to 10 centimeter. Hence the radius of required circle is 10 centimeter. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.